This is power on, power button, original LG logo. Very simple connection. This board. My dear friend, I think 800 please give me. Never mind. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Original. This television 42-inch 42LB585V model numbers. This television motherboard, original motherboard. It is original motherboard, brush and broken, completely damaged, and this kit is replacement kit, universal kit. Model numbers TR67 0.2 version. Installing very simple installing, very simple connection. And first time red wire 12 volt and yellow wires. Only 3 wires power connected. Red connection 12 volt and yellow connection on off connection driver, backlight driver on and off, and black connection ground. And this original power SMP supply, backlight on. My dear friend, very easy and simple connection. I am using 3 wires, only 3 wires connected this universal kit, and very simple connection, easy to way installing this card. Universal motherboard, Sony, Samsung, LG logo, remote system controlling. So I hope easy to connect it. My video is first and last watching requested me. So look, my dear friend, only I used 3 connection and 1 connection jumpering. This power supply is on running. So see this connected. First time this wiring jumpering, 3.5 volt and power on off connected, soldering jumper, and ground connection directly, ground connection, black, 2 connection brown ground, and 2 connection 12 volt and adjust voltage and power on off. Power on off I using yellow wires and 12 volt red wires and black wires, black wire ground connection. This is I using this connection, 3 wires yellow. First time black wires. This board is SMPS power supply board, original ground connection and 12 volt connection, 100% perfect 12 volt connection, red wires, and very important connection, backlight, blacklight connection. This connected your backlight, original power supply to backlight. It is backlight connected connection. First wire. It is connection on. And very easy to connect connection. I hope this connection is zooming. Series. Yes. Driver on. It is connection number driver on. Yeah. My yellow numbers, my yellow colors, driver on. It is connection driver on. LED driver on and off. Adjusting connection. This motherboard universal kit is. So when very easy to connection and jumpering 12 volt and jumpering connection 12 volt and very it is connection speakers and remote control sensor connection. Very easy to very simple connection. Remote control sensor connection 3.5 volt. I using 5 volt and IR red and lead, red connection LED, red connection and green connection and ground connection. 5 wires connected. This remote control sensor is not button sensor. I replace disconnected button sensor side, only using sensor side and power and backlight driver and speaker connection. Very simple and very important connection. LVDS. So I hope easily connected connection. This board is LVDS connection. It is resolution connection and display. Anyway, Google search display number resolution using. I am Ticon board is connected resolution and left and right are very important connected. Original LVDS. It is here. It is all original LVDS. So this is my left side power connection and very anyway black left right checking this checking this Ticon board connection. Otherwise broken the brushing, but I hope easily this connection original motherboard. I replacing. You see this television very simple. I connected all connection and connecting using and starting and running this television originally. Systematic logo LG logo is connected this motherboard. I hope very simple connection. If you any question, please inbox comment me. I am answerly your commented. So please my channel subscribe and like bell button, click bell button and liking. I am VDM etc YouTube channels, my channels VDM etc. So all screw connected and this board is in screw and board installing. Screw board and installing. Just try it. Checking this display and backlight perfectly. Check this board completing, and I am starting this television. Remote on. Inshallah completed this television. Next inshallah complete this television. Yes. completed this television, no signal, 100% resolution. This resolution very common. This television power on, and remote control switching, power button, originally LG logo. Very simple connection this board. My dear friend, I talking any problem, please give me, never mind. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Original.